Okay, number 15. Okay, so which location best represents the y-intercept of a function? So real quick before I do anything, I had a student a long, long time ago when I used to be a teacher that had this down. That kind of made an aha moment. We were doing what I like to call the vertical line test. And if you guys, I don't know, you might remember it or not, but I gave you a function like this one or something like that, right? And I ask you, is this a function or not a function? And then you run these little vertical lines all the way up and down like that. And then one of my students realized that the y-axis is a vertical line. And you can only touch that vertical line once. You can't touch it more than once. So if I give you a function like this, like that, well, it fails the vertical line test here and here, it touches twice, so not a function. So in a vertical line test, you can only touch a vertical line one time. And since the y-intercept is a vertical line, you can only have one y-intercept in a function. That's why it says over here, choose one correct answer. Because only one of these answers works. And I've seen students do this. They'll try to pick one of these two. And if you're a student watching the video, what am I doing wrong is my question, right? What I do as a teacher is I'll put that, is this the right one or correct answer? And I'll let them argue yes or no. This is the wrong answer. These are my x-intercepts where they cross the x-axis, get it? So I don't want that. I want to know where they cross the y-axis. So, and a y-intercept, this is my y-intercept. This is where this graph crosses the y-axis, get it? So my answer is this one. Dun, dun, dun. And that's as hard as this test gets. It's a really easy test, guys. You can totally ace this test. Puro masters.